Hey, good day to you. This is Todd. I'm a regular dude walking in the Word. We are in chapter 2 of Philippians here, and these next 3 episodes, they tie in with each other. They're all kind of intertwined, okay? So I would encourage you, if you listen today, listen to the next 2 also, because it's a passage that is all intertwined, and it has so much information in it that I didn't want to dump it all at once. There's kind of 3 separate points I'm trying to make from this passage here, but I wanted to break it up so that it'll be easier for us to understand, and it won't be a half-hour episode. It'll be just I try and do these episodes to be like between 5 and 10 minutes per day. So this is episode 16 of Philippians, and it's take off selfishness and put on humility. Okay. And so this is taken today from chapter 2 of Philippians, verses 3 through 5. So let me read that here. This is great. Okay, it says this: do nothing out of selfish ambition or vain conceit. Rather, in humility, value others above yourself, not looking to your own interests, but for each of you to the interests of others. In your relationships with one another, have the same mindset as Christ Jesus. Okay, we're going to be looking at that mindset of Christ Jesus and his humility and then his exaltation in the next 2 episodes. But today I wanted to focus on verses 3 and 4, where it says, do nothing out of selfish ambition or vain conceit. Okay, that is really, really hard for us to do, because everything that I do is out of selfish ambition. What am I going to eat? I'm going to eat what pleases me. Okay, not necessarily what pleases those that are around me. And so, or do those things. So I'm doing things out of selfish ambition. That's just my natural way. I'm a man, and I am born with that sinful nature. So I want to fulfill self rather than others and God. But he's calling us out, and he's saying, do nothing out of selfish ambition or vain conceit. Okay, or vain conceit is to be praised by others. And hey, look how great Todd is. He did this and this, blah, blah, blah. Okay? Saying, don't do stuff out of that ambition. All right? Rather, he says, don't do that stuff, but rather do this. In humility, value others above yourself, not looking to your own interests, but into the interests of others. Okay? So he's saying, don't be doing stuff out of selfish ambition, but learn to build others up. So that's a hard thing to do, okay? Instead of looking to what pleases me, what pleases people around me, all right? And doing things that benefits them, all right? So that's a challenge for each of us. We're born with that sinful nature. We want to do what pleases us, but God has called us to not do things that please ourselves only, but do things that also please others and benefit others. Okay, so if I get $10,000 check for something, for a job we did, I have a choice. I can either take that money and make a down payment on a new Corvette and have that. Or I can take some of that money and I need another car, so I can buy an old beater car and then use the rest of that money to buy another car for someone else that needs a car because they can't get to work or whatever. So I'm looking for ways that I can help others and benefit others rather than just myself and to please myself. Okay, because I don't need a Corvette. I can use my old beater car to get around. So it's something that will really stretch us if we do what God has called us here. So anyway, hey, thanks for watching. I'm a regular dude walking in the Word, and I look forward to seeing you tomorrow as we continue our journey through Philippians. Lord's blessing. I'll see you then.